The pandemic has prompted a new level of mental and emotional stress for many people. The topics of depression, anxiety, and suicide are all too often considered taboo, especially in the Black community. Earlier today, Jessica Maduker learned how Milwaukee's Office of Violence Prevention is trying to end that stigma and talk about it.
It's what they call the sound of healing.
Drums bring people out.
The community gathered together to have a tough conversation.
It is so important to start the dialogue.
Creating a dialogue on mental illness and suicide, very real, yet often stigmatizing topics.
We know that stigma is prevalent, definitely in communities of color.
And unfortunately, the city of Milwaukee's Office of Violence Prevention believes suicide is on the rise. According to the CDC, in 2019, suicide was the 10th leading cause of death in the U.S., claiming the lives of more than 45,000 Americans, or one death every 11 minutes.
And right now where we are, those numbers are still increasing.
So their mission is simple.
We meet people where they're at.
And they created a space for all. Saturday afternoon, dozens gathered at Sherman Park to share testimonies, dance, and educate people of all ages on the importance of their mental health and resources available to all who are struggling.
Sometimes they feel like no one's listening, but we're listening. So the first thing I want them to know is that we're here, we're available, we're listening, and you're not alone.
A message they want all to know.
We just want people to know we love them and there's healing available. As long as you're breathing, there's hope.
And for anyone struggling with thoughts of suicide, you're encouraged to contact the Milwaukee County Crisis Line at 414-257-7222, a resource that is ready and available to provide mental health services at any time. Reporting from Sherman Park, Jessica Maduker, TMJ4 News.
Going a little deeper on this important topic, here are some warning signs that someone could be at risk. Talking about being a burden to others, increasing the use of alcohol or drugs, sleeping too little or too much, and withdrawing or isolating themselves. Now, reaching out for support does work, and anonymous help is available. The National Suicide Prevention Lifeline is available 24/7. You just dial 1-800-273-TALK. More local news